In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play FC24 on PC with a PlayStation 4 controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a PlayStation 4 controller to play FC24 on PC. So, in order to do this method, all that you have to do is make sure that you run EA Sports FC24 through Steam. I'm still going to show an alternative method that works if you don't want to run the game through Steam, but I believe the Steam method is by far the most convenient. Even if you didn't purchase FC24 on Steam, you can still use this method. So first, go over to your library and find FC24. Now you will notice that on this account, I don't own the game at the moment. I apologize, so I'm going to demonstrate it with eFootball, but the process is the same, so just follow along. Now, if you own FC24 on Steam, meaning that you purchased the game on Steam, then you will be good to go. But if you bought it on the EA Store or somewhere else, then you will have to go over to Add a Game and then add a non-Steam game. Browse through the games on your computer and find the EAFC24 executable file. Now, once this is done and you finally have FC24 on Steam, over here, just right-click the game, go over to Properties and then Controller. Inside of the controller properties for FC24, just make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Steam Input is something built into the Steam launcher that automatically detects and sets up any controllers that you connect. So even though the DualShock 4 and the DualSense controllers have a lot of trouble working with most games on PC, Steam Input can help bypass those issues. You can go over to the controller configurator and manage your controller here. And after you assign the different layouts, you just make sure that you are using any of the layouts made for the game. Either the recommended ones or community-made layouts, you will be good to go, good to play, and everything should be set up. You just need to make sure that Steam Input is enabled and that you run the game through Steam. Now, try to run it with Steam Input enabled and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then the next option that you have, or if you don't want to do it through Steam, is to download DS4 Windows. You might have heard about this tool, and it does essentially the same thing. It's going to make it so the DualShock controllers and the DualSense controllers work flawlessly with most games on Steam and any other game available for Windows. So just download the tool here on our website, and once you open it up, you will be able to set up your controller here. So click Start, detect the controller after you install the drivers, and set up a custom preset or profile. I hope I was able to help you on how to play FC24 on PC with a PlayStation 4 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.